Hello everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to copy trade on Binance. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process. Now, let's begin by showing you how to set up copy trading on Binance. First, you will need a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, create your account first. Once you've signed up, log in to your account. Next, go to the Binance homepage and look for the copy trading option. You can find it under the Trade menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to the copy trading page. Here, you'll see profiles of traders you can follow. You can review their performance, profit rates, and trading history. Once on any profile, click the yellow Copy button. If you aren't logged in yet, the system will prompt you to log in. After logging in, you'll be able to set your copy trading preferences. You'll have two main options for copy settings: fixed ratio and fixed amount. Fixed ratio means your trades will scale proportionally based on my trades. Fixed amount means you set a fixed dollar amount for each trade. The minimum amount to start copy trading is just 10 USDT. Enter your preferred amounts, ensuring you meet the minimum requirements. If you need to transfer funds to your spot wallet, click the Transfer button and move the desired amount of USDT to your trading account. Scroll down, agree to the terms, and click Copy to confirm. That's it. You're now set up for copy trading and your account will automatically replicate the trades. Let's talk about what happens next. When the lead trader makes a trade, your account will execute the same trade automatically. This process ensures that your investments align with the lead trader's strategies. It's an easy way for beginners to start trading without needing extensive experience. While this method is convenient, there's a profit-sharing arrangement. 10% of your profits will go to the lead trader. For example, if you earn 50 USDT in profit, you'll keep 45 USDT and 5 USDT will be shared. If you don't make a profit, there's no sharing at all. You only pay when you earn. After setting up copy trading, it might take a few hours or even a full day for the system to synchronize with the trades. Be patient. Don't assume it's not working just because you don't see immediate activity. Some beginners stop copy trading after earning a small profit, thinking they've made enough. However, long-term consistency often leads to bigger gains. Copy trading on Binance is an excellent way to start trading automatically by following experienced traders. For those who prefer to keep 100% of their profits, you can use Binance's spot trading or auto-invest features instead of copy trading. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.